Let's see how the job is displayed to agency once it is shared by employer. Post that, we will see how agency can understand the job opening and can submit candidates to employer with minimum communication over phone or email. How smoothly both the parties can work on hire expert. Once the job is shared with agency, it will be visible in dashboards. To view job details, user has to simply click on action button present in front of your referring job, and from there, view job description. To submit or view candidates, user has to click on action button, and from there, view applicants present in front of your referring job. After clicking there, user will enter into application tracking of that particular job. To submit candidates on this job, user has to go on candidate menu and click on add candidate button. Initially, user has just to enter candidate email ID or upload his CV. Hire expert will check if that candidate is in Hire expert database. If yes, then automatically all candidate details will be auto-populated. Otherwise, agency need to fill the details manually. Below in the candidate card, you will see skills section. These are the same skills which is required for the job opening created by employer. User has to answer this section, so user can always check with candidate what level of expertise they possess in the skills and if they have certificates for those skills or not, and mark the same information in application. After entering all information, user has to click on submit button and the candidates will be added to job. By default, candidate card will be added under potential column. All the candidates which are under potential column will be visible to their internal teammates only and not to job owner. Let's move on the employer account to check if this recently submitted candidate is visible to them or not. Now we are in employer Horizon Technology account and candidate is not visible here. We'll go back to agency account. Now to make candidate card visible to job owner, user have to move the card from potential column to new column. Now let's go back to employer account and reload the screen. Immediately candidate card is visible to employer. Employer can check who has submitted this candidate. Agency name will be available on the card. Employer can check candidate details and can download CV. If he likes candidate, he can simply move the candidate card to next lane, which is schedule interview 1, and mark his availability in the comment section, which can be referred by agency. If employer does not like the candidate, he can directly reject candidate from reject option and has to give proper reasoning for rejection, which can be referred by agency vendor. Now let's move to agency side. Reload the screen. Candidate card is updated as per the recent status updated by employer. By checking the card status, agency can easily understand they have to schedule interview. By reading comment, they can understand when to schedule. So by clicking on the interview icon on card, they can easily schedule interview by entering details in the given option, and after submitting details, just move the card to interview pending. The status update will help employer to understand interview is pending from his side. In this way, Hire Expert allows employer agencies to work smoothly with minimum communication over phone or email. Thanks.